Before buying a bike alarm, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Mention Wireless Vibration Alarm. Let's kick things off with the Mention Wireless Vibration Alarm. This little gadget caught my eye with its super loud 110 dB alarm and remote control feature, all for just $17.99. If you want an affordable alarm that can deter thieves before they even get close, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 110 dB sound is not just loud. It's designed to grab attention quickly, which is crucial if someone is trying to mess with your bike. The remote control allows you to activate or deactivate the alarm from a distance, making it super convenient. It's also designed to be used on various vehicles, including motorcycles and cars, which adds to its versatility. However, if you're looking for something with a proven track record, I should mention that it currently has no reviews, so you're kind of taking a gamble on its reliability. Now, some people complain that the installation process can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it's pretty straightforward, and honestly, the price makes it a worthy investment for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you own a bike and want something simple and effective without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a highly advanced system with multiple features. For under $20, it's a solid buy. Now, if the Mention's lack of reviews bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vibration Sensing Bike Alarm. Next up is the Vibration Sensing Bike Alarm, priced at $23.99. What I found interesting here is its 113 dB loudness, which is even higher than the last one, and it's designed specifically for electric bikes and scooters. If you want something reliable that screams for attention, this one's worth a serious look. The vibration sensor is sensitive enough to detect even minor movements, which means it can alert you before a thief even touches your bike. Plus, it's wireless, so you don't have to deal with messy wires during installation. Still, it's important to note that it has no reviews so far, which might make you hesitate about its long-term effectiveness. Some users mention that the sensitivity can be a bit too high, triggering false alarms. Here's the thing, you can adjust that sensitivity level during installation, so if you live in a busy area, you can tune it to avoid unnecessary noise. This is perfect for you if you own an electric bike or scooter and want a high alert system that's easy to set up. Skip this one if you need something that's low maintenance and won't require adjustments. For its price, the value is definitely there. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for advanced security needs. Product number 3, WSDCAM Anti-Theft Bike Alarm. Finally, let's talk about the WSDCAM Anti-Theft Bike Alarm, which is priced at $32.83. What caught my attention is not just its 113 dB sound, but also its waterproof design, making it suitable for all weather conditions. If you want something that can withstand the elements while keeping your bike secure, this is worth a serious look. The waterproof feature means you don't have to worry about rain ruining your alarm, which is crucial for outdoor bikers. Additionally, like the others, it has a remote control and is easy to mount. The fact that it's designed to be highly sensitive ensures it'll respond quickly to any movement, helping deter thieves effectively. That said, it also has no reviews yet, so you might be wondering about its reliability. Some users reported that it can be a bit bulky compared to other models. Here's the thing though, the sturdiness adds to its durability, so if you're looking for long-term use, this trade-off might just be worth it. This is perfect for you if you frequently ride in various weather conditions and want a reliable alarm. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-sleek and compact. For the price, it offers great features and decent security. Now that we've covered the products, let's wrap this up. So to wrap it all up, we looked at the Mention Wireless Vibration Alarm, which is budget-friendly and straightforward. Then there's the Vibration Sensing Bike Alarm, which offers a higher sound level and is great for electric bikes. Finally, we have the WSDCAM Anti-Theft Bike Alarm, perfect for those who need a waterproof option. Depending on what features matter most to you, any of these could be a good pick for keeping your bike safe.